Coffee French toast. As a coffee lover, this is one of my favorite. This is so good. You gotta try this. So let's go. Let's check it out. Look at that with the chocolate sauce or icing or topping. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is awesome. So let's start. Okay, we're using Nescafe classic coffee and of course sliced bread. So let's start here. Okay, this is about a spoon of coffee, and under it is like a teaspoon of creamer. You just can't see it because I put it in. I poured it first. So now about 2 or 3 spoons of hot water so we can melt this coffee up. Let's make sure it's all dissolved. You can see the creamer is under it. Now you can mix it well. You can add a bit of sugar here if you want, or use 3-in-1 coffee. That's still okay and that's still good. I actually do that sometimes with the basic 3-in-1 coffee, and it's actually good. So, but here we're using just Nescafe and creamer. And now we added a bit of water. And now here we crack 1 egg. Yes, all right. So now we whisk this quick. We mix it now. Yes, now it's about ready. All right. Now we soak in a slice of bread. We don't leave it too long because it's gonna get too soggy or mushy. It's gonna be hard to fry it or to toast it. So just a quick soak like that. That's okay. It's good. Now the next one. And one more. I'm just doing this just for me. So just 3 slices of bread. Here it is. Now it's all ready. Okay, now let's go to the pan. Let's heat it up. Here we are. We heat the pan. And about a spoon of butter, or like 2 spoons or 1 spoon of butter is good enough. Just medium to low heat. Just make sure it's melting good. Now we start. Each side doesn't take more than 1 minute, so you have to pay attention because you don't want it all burnt up. It's gonna taste a lot bitter or so bitter. Here you can check it. Okay, now we turn it. And because we didn't use milk, we used coffee and a bit of creamer, this is actually gonna start to tend to look darker like this. It's not burnt, it's just, because it's coffee, but oh, it smells so wonderful. Of course, you can sprinkle a bit of cinnamon if you want, this added flavor. But this, we're just doing the basic stuff here with just coffee. There you go. Remember, each side does not take longer than 1 minute. We add a bit more butter because it's drying up. Yes. Some more. All right. Now butter. Okay. Now we use 1 spoon of Nutella, the chocolate, and about a creamer or a bit of 3-in-1 with just a bit like maybe 2 or 3 spoons of hot water to make it more gooey. And here it is. Yes. This is gonna be awesome. Look at this. Yes. And of course, you can also click here for another dessert if you would like. But yeah, oh, look at this. The chocolate Nutella sauce. This is perfect. The breakfast of champions. And yes, if you haven't, subscribe. This way you can keep track of what we do. And I'll see you guys, okay?